a small, lovable poem titled Will You Come, written by Edward Thomas. Will you come, will you ride so late at my side? Oh, will you come, will you come, if the night has a moon full and bright? Oh, will you come, would you come, if the noon gave light, not the moon? Beautiful, would you come? Would you have come? Would you have come without scorning? Had it been still morning, beloved, would you have come? If you come, haste and come, owls have cried, it grows dark to ride, beloved, beautiful, come. Next, I would love to share a beautiful, lovable poem written by Ella Wheeler Wilcox, titled Time and Love. Time flies, the swift hours hurry by and speed us on to untried ways. New seasons ripen, perish, die, and yet love stays. The old love, like sweet at first, at last, like bitter wine. I know not if it blessed or cursed thy life and mine. Time flies in vain, our prayers, our tears, we cannot tempt him to delays. Down to the past he bears the years, and yet love stays. Through changing task and varying dream, we hear the same refrain as one can hear a plaintive theme run through each strain. Time flies, he stills our pulsing youth. He robs us of our carefree days. He takes away our trust and truth, and yet love stays. Oh, time, take love. When love is vain, when all its best joys die, when only its regrets remain, let love too fly. These two beautiful and lovable poems which I shared. Thank you very much, dear friends. So be connected with Gautam Komal Gandhi.